Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to block or unblock contacts in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open phone app and then scroll down, and here you can select a contact you want to block or unblock. Then simply open a contact, and if you want to block this contact, then simply click on block caller and then click on block contact, and here you can see your contact will be blocked. And if you want to unblock your contact, then simply unblock caller option, click on it and your contact will be unblocked. So this is the way to block or unblock contacts in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.